Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how to customize your phone. So in this customization, I'm gonna tell you we will change four things. So the first thing is we will change the positions of the icon which are coming on the bottom of your home screen. Okay. The second thing we will change the position of your icons. Third thing we will change the folders shape in this video, and the fourth thing basically you sometimes think that I in the Samsung phone, mostly in the Samsung phone, you think that there are only horizontal grids, means you can search only like horizontally, but in this video I'm gonna tell you from which side you can search it vertical grid also. So for that you need to go on your Play Store and you need to download the app. The name of an app is Microsoft Launcher app, and then you need to install it and you need to click on the open button. And now you can see this type of page coming here, so you need to click on get started and you need to give them two permissions which they will allow. You need to click on the while using the app and you need to click on allow. So guys, as you can see, now you can see this option coming on your mobile phone. This option is choose your wallpaper. So you can see two options coming here. One is the current wallpaper and one is the binge daily wallpaper. So you need to click on the binge daily wallpaper because in your current wallpaper you need to change the wallpapers, but on the binge daily wallpaper you the daily on a daily basis your wallpaper will be changed. So after clicking on binge daily wallpaper you need to click on continue. So guys, after that you can see this type of screen. So this is the meaning of this screen is that you need to change the default of your home screen. So you need to click on continue and you need to click on let's go, and then you can see this type of screen coming here. So you need to click on don't show again and you need to click on set as default, and you need now you need to click on Microsoft launches and you need to press always, and after that you can see you need to click on ok and your most of the work is being done. So you can see that the icons have been changed. Okay, you can see the folders has been changed by clicking on the folders. You can see I need to scroll the folders, but in the normal one I usually need to turn the pages. But if you don't like this one, so what you can do I will tell you, you can change it only to switch pages. So now you can go down and here you can see it's in my vertical grid, and you can see letters also. If you want from W you can see it from here, and these are the things. Okay, so now let's go on our Microsoft app. Okay, now I need to give the permission allow, and now let's search here Microsoft and launcher. This is my Microsoft launcher app, you can see it from here. So now from here I'm going to tell you some functions which is very useful to you. So the first function on the second button, you can see the wallpaper. You need to click on it and you need to choose a new wallpaper. You need to click on it. Now you can see four options. Two are of my phone and two are given by Microsoft launcher. One is the Microsoft launcher app and one is of binge. So by clicking Microsoft launcher you can see 12 photos coming here. It's loading, it will take some time. Okay, so it will be loading. 12 photos are here. Okay, so by clicking on binge you can see there are also many photos. Okay, these are also 12 to 15 photos here. Okay, so the next button you can see is the themes button. By clicking on theme button you can see that on the first button you can see this is the theme button. You need, by clicking on this you can see three options. One is the system theme, second is the dark, and third is the light. By system theme and dark it is the same. Okay, by clicking on dark also you can see this is same, no effect. By clicking on light you can see everything will be changed to light. You can see it's white, but before it was white colored. So this is also a useful thing, so let's keep it white only. Now the third thing is the home screen. From here you can see that this is an option of hidden apps. So from here you can hide the apps also which you don't want to see to others. Okay, so this is also a good thing. And the next thing is the notification badges option. By clicking on this, you can see the notifications. Okay, if you don't want to allow, you can do not allow. And then this is the option, the third one. This is the folder appearance option. Now from this option you can change the folder's shape. So the first one is the rounded square shape, which is given on a folder. You can see on the Google folder, this is a rounded square. Okay, so the next one is the square, then it's square circle, and this is round, and this is teardrop. But I needed round drop because I like this one. And below that you can see two options coming. Then this is options are open folders full screen, and second one is the horizontal scroll to switch pages. Now from open folders full screen, first you can see this option. uh, from this is a half screen. Okay, this is a half screen, and the second one was horizontal switch pages. So this we are scrolling it, and this folder is opening in very small screen, but I need to open it in a full screen, and I need to switch them between the pages. Okay, so let's go back, and you can see now my folder is attaching to the all the screen, full screen. And by switching you can see it's happening, but before it was for scrolling. So this is the thing, which is also a useful thing. Okay, so next one in here, it is the icon appearance. By clicking on it, you can see that you have some options. By first one is the icon pack. You have two options here. This, which one is the system? This is the default one, and by Microsoft Launcher. This is not some useful. I didn't like this thing. Okay, so by pressing these things, you can see that options which are inbuilt in your phone, you can see that they have the icons have been changed. The first one is the camera, then gallery, then settings, and then messages have been changed. But here also you can see that the clock option has been changed. Okay, so I didn't like this app, so I will choose a system only. And if you don't want these types of app, and you need another icon pack, so you can click on download new icon pack, and the first you can choose any one of them. It's supported by Microsoft Launcher app. Okay, and you need to download it, and it will work. So now let's come back to our normal screen, and from here you can see, let's go on launcher, go back, and from here you can see dock. This is not very much useful app for my, so you can use it for yourself. Okay, so then the last option which is useful for you is gestures. So by gestures, two fingers swipe down, the hidden apps will come. If you want two fingers swipe up, you will choose, so it will come if you want anything. Okay, so you can choose from yourself. Okay, so guys, this was the video for today. If you like the video, please like the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and obviously share with your friends. And let's meet in the next episode. So till then, goodbye.